Hey space lovers! Welcome to the fellow learner. Ever wondered how planets got their names? Who discovered them? And how long they take to orbit the Sun? Well, stick around, because today we're taking a tour of the solar system, including Pluto, Mercury, the speedster. First up, Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. Named after the Roman messenger god because it moves super fast. It completes one orbit in just 88 days. Facts: Mercury has no moons. Extreme temperatures, 800 degrees Fahrenheit, 427 degrees Celsius, by day, minus 330 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 201 degrees Celsius, by night. First observed by ancient civilizations, Galileo confirmed it in 1610. Venus, the hottest planet. Next, Venus, named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. But don't be fooled. It's the hottest planet, with a thick carbon dioxide atmosphere trapping heat. Facts: it has no moons. A day on Venus is longer than its year. One orbit equals 225 Earth days. Galileo was one of the first to study it with a telescope in the 1600s. Earth, our home. And of course, our home, Earth. The only planet not named after a god. It comes from the Old English and Germanic words, such as earth and eartha, meaning ground or soil. Facts: the Earth has one natural satellite, the Moon. Only known planet with life. Orbits the Sun in 365.25 days. Mars, the red planet. Mars is named after the Roman god of war, because of its blood-red color. Scientists believe it once had rivers and oceans. Facts: Mars has two moons, Phobos and Deimos. Olympus Mons is the tallest volcano in the solar system. One orbit equals 687 Earth days. Jupiter, the giant. Jupiter, the largest planet. Named after the king of Roman gods. It's so big, 1,300 Earths could fit inside. Facts: it has 92 moons. The largest is Ganymede. Jupiter's great red spot is a storm that's been raging for centuries. One orbit equals 12 Earth years. Saturn, the ringed beauty. Say hello to Saturn, the second largest planet, named after the Roman god of agriculture. Its rings are made of ice and rock. Facts: Saturn has whopping 146 moons. The biggest is Titan. It's the least dense planet, it could float on water. One orbit equals 29.5 Earth years. Uranus, the sideways planet. Uranus is the only planet named after a Greek god, the god of the sky. It rotates on its side, making it super unique. Facts: Uranus has 27 moons, Titania, Oberon and more. Discovered by William Herschel in 1781, first planet found with a telescope. One orbit equals 84 Earth years. Neptune, the windy one. Finally, Neptune, named after the Roman god of the sea. It's the windiest planet, with storms stronger than any on Earth. Facts: 14 moons, Triton is the biggest. Discovered in 1846 by Johann Galler. One orbit equals 165 Earth years. Pluto, the dwarf planet. And finally, let's talk about Pluto. Once the ninth planet, now classified as a dwarf planet. Discovered in 1930 by Clyde Tombaugh, Pluto was named by an 11-year-old girl after the Roman god of the underworld. Facts: small enough, but Pluto has 5 moons. Charon is the largest. It has a heart-shaped glacier called Tombaugh Regio. One orbit equals 248 Earth years. Even though Pluto is no longer a full-fledged planet, it's still loved by many. And that's our solar system. Comment if you know how our sun was named. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more space adventures.